A daily skincare routine is paramount. Start by finding the right cleanser and moisturizer for your skin type, and don't forget to incorporate serums and antioxidants. Sun protection is a must too. Understand the impact of UV rays, choose an effective sunscreen and apply it correctly. Seek out anti-aging ingredients like retinoids, hyaluronic acid and peptides, and integrate them into your skincare routine. Role in your skin's health. Emphasize nutrients essential for skin health, like antioxidants that combat free radicals. Hydrate, both by drinking plenty of water and by eating water-rich foods. Include fruits and vegetables rich in vitamins A, C, and E, and omega-3 fatty acids. At the same time, limit your intake of sugar, processed foods, and activity are not only good for your overall health but also for your skin. Regular activity improves circulation, enhances collagen production, and reduces stress. Cardiovascular exercises, strength training, and flexibility exercises all have their place in your routine. Being are often overlooked, but they have a significant impact on your physical appearance. Practice mindfulness and meditation. Establish a healthy work-life balance, and ensure you get plenty of quality sleep. Last but not least, that support your goal. Avoid habits that promote premature aging, like smoking and excessive sun exposure. Stay hydrated and choose skin-friendly beverages. Your age isn't about a single magic solution, it's about adopting a comprehensive strategy that tackles aging from multiple angles. Remember, aging is a natural process, but with the right habits and choices, you can age gracefully and maintain a youthful glow.